Happy birthday, Ines. So, ayun. Hindi man tayo masyado close. Pero I wish you all the best lalo na sa college journey mo. Sana magamit mo itong gift mo everyday. It reminds you how special and beautiful you are as a day.
Thank you so much, Miss Tricia de Sakala. Now for our third treasure bearer, may we please call on Miss Lorraine Claire Diaz. A round of applause. Hello, Miss Lorraine. Wow.
Mag-interview muna tayo.
Opo. Sige, ate, forward
interview pa
tayo.
talaga?
Sige po,
Ano ka?
kindly describe your gift in just one word without giving any explanation.
Fashionable.
Fashionable! Uy! Sige, ate. Grabe na yung fashionable.
Mga pang-international lang.
Opo. Eto, sige ate, ano yung texture?
Hard.
Hard. How about the shape? Something curve. How about the color naman? Color. Wow, color black. And with that, thank you so much for giving us the time. Thank you. With that, you can now deliver your message to our time.
Happy 18th birthday, Ines. I'm wishing you all the best, success sa college, and enjoy this night.
Something good.
Thank you so much, Miss Lorraine Claire Diaz. To continue, may we please close on Arlene Rica Blanca.
Kayo po magagi talaga ba, no?
Okay, hello, Miss Arlene Rica Blanca. Thank you so much. Ngayon, eto, before we proceed kay Ate Arlene sa interview, ngayon, gusto namin nakasali kayo sa interview. Wow. Okay, di ba tatanungin namin sila, i-describe yung gift nila in just one word. Ang gagawin ninyo, uulitin ninyo yung word. Dapat sabay-sabay tayong lahat ha. Sabay-sabay. Kunyari sinabi ay, Espon. Sasabihin nyo ay,
Spontaneous.
sweet. Lakas. Kapag sinabing colorful, ang sasabihin nyo ay,
Colorful.
Okay, ganun lang ha. Ganun lang tayo. Okay? Let's keep the energy here. Okay. Sige, Ate Arlene. Describe your gift in just one word.
Stylish.
Stylish.
Isa pa ate. Ano yung word?
Stylish.
Stylish. Sige.
Feeling ko gurtong na
Nakastart pa lang natin. Sige. Ano po yung color?
Coffee brown.
Coffee brown. Anong color? Dapat may tono. Dapat coffee brown. Ganon. Okay, ganon dapat ha. Ganon dapat. Kilala ko kung sino hindi magsasalita na tono. Okay? Kilala ko yung mga faces ninyo. Okay? Sige. Ano naman po yung texture?
Ano lasa?
Sige ate, napapagod na tong audience natin.
Pagod na audience natin.
Opa. They can now deliver a message to our time.
Happy birthday, Ines, and more birthdays to come.
Thank you so much, Mr. Lim, for the message. To
Thank you
continue,
so much, Miss Arlene.
yeah, to continue, may please call on Camille L. Carroll.
Yes, nakahabol. Tapos na.
Ano?
Once again, let's all give a big hand to Miss Camille L. Carroll. Yes. So ngayon,
So dahil
nandito na siya.
kakating mo lang,
Opo, halika dito,
Dito ako
ate.
sa gitna.
Dito ka. Alam niyo yung gagawin natin, ha? Yung gagawin natin, okay?
before we proceed na
Opo, ate.
for our debutant, tatanungin ka muna namin kung anong color.
Yes, anong texture?
Texture.
Anong shape ng
Ng
gift
gift
mo?
mo.
Pero bago yon, kindly describe your gift in just one word without any explanation. Ano po yun? Anong word?
Leather!
Ulit. Ano bang word? Yes!
Yes,
I love that
leather.
too. Oh my God. Ano naman po yung color? Pink. Anong color? Thank you. Baka kasi hindi ko marinig.
Tanggalin ko yun.
Kaya pinapawag. Wow. Anong texture po?
Medyo rough. Medyo
Medyo
rough.
rough.
Medyo rough.
Aso ba to? Rough?
Ano ba to?
Hindi aso, no? Kasi...
Panghilot?
Oo. Rough. Sige ate.
Okay, you can deliver your message.
Mukhang handa ka na. You can now deliver your message.
Ready siya sa message. Sorry.
Yes. Sige ate, you can now deliver your message to our debutant.
Happy birthday, Ines. 18 looks great on you. As your ate, ang advice ko lang sa inyo, as you step your chapter of adulthood, don't rush. That was my reason ko na nangyayari. Enjoy mo lang pag ito ka manyan. If you need ng ate ng go approach. And as one of your
Tanggalin ko kutain mo.
I'm happy to give you this
Mawalat kaya sa pang
that
ipit
serve
ko.
as a daily reminder of love, joy, and abundant blessing that awaits you in the future.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Camila Carol, for the message.
Paano yung matanggal? Matanggal ko tayo.
And next, to proceed with our 18th treasure, may we call on Miss Asher Galmetita.
Around.
Nail cutter. May nail cutter ako. Wala dyan sa may lamisa. Sa mas ginting.
Ayan, dito ko muna sa ating hotspot.
Super sexy naman ang ating.
Mukhang prepared siya. Sige. Ate Asia, ano ang color ng gift mo?
Pink.
Anong color, everyone?
Para na cookie.
May tono dapat. Anong color?
Kagunting mo ko yun.
Pink yun.
Kagunta ko siya.
Hindi. Sorry, pink yun. Sige, everyone. Thank you. Describe your gift, Ate Asia, in just one word without any explanation.
Demure.
Anong word po yun?
Then you.
Anong word? Okay lang yan. Thank you so much, Ate Asia. That is cargo signal. You can now deliver your message to our debutant.
Paano nang wala sa stand ni supang ipit?
Happy birthday, Ines.
Puni, may kinabit akong sarupang galing.
Describes you in 3 things. I give you
Uy,
tools
may pang ano ka? Kung pwede pang putol?
to blend life's imperfections.
Kutsilyo, ra.
A top to remind you to dress with confidence. An eyelash curler to help you face each day with eyes wide open. May you always feel beautiful inside and out.
Thank you so much, Ate Asia Domitita.
Putulong ko na wala sa stand. Kasi ko ta kutsilyo.
Mrs. Eva Joy Titera. Okay na daw po, na-deliver na. And next, may we call on Miss Kyla Andolan. Thank you so much.
May gunting.
Next, to proceed with our 18th treasure, may we call on Mr. Joel De Sakala.
Mura
A
lang.
round of applause for Mr. Joel Desakura.
Kapag yun. Ngayon magkakikaduman ng...
Once again, Mr. Joel Sakala. Good evening, Miss Awad.
Kagawan.
Wow.
So before, syempre nahihindi na natin.
Oo. Alamin na ito. Sige, hindi ka muna Awad. Palapan natin si Kagawa Joel. Okay, everyone? Ayan. Kagawa Joel, isang tanungan pasok. Bunda! Anong kulay ng laman? Is it
Anong kulay ng laman?
Oo, nung sobre.
Ngayon.
Opo.
Ibong adari na.
Uy, iba't ibang color. Eto pa, isang dalawang doya muna. Ilang piraso?
Maraming balahibo yun eh.
Maraming balahibo. So, yung tapos na itong balahibo ng ibong Adorna? Wait lang, ibong Adorna.
So, dinescribe na si Ibong.
Yes. Sige po, total ibong Adorna ang gift mo. You can now deliver your message to our debutante.
Hi, hello baby! Happy 18th birthday po. So, ang message ko lang sa imo. Masyado ka na baon. Lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay, sana ito sa imo kanahal ng Diyos. Yun lang.
Thank you so much, Honorable Joel Sakala.
Thank you so much, Kagawa Joel. And next, may we call on Miss Mary Grace Desanisa.
That's all give me my Chris Isalisa.
Kala ba?
Partner.
Good evening, Ma'am Joyren.
Good evening po, Raneta!
Concert pala na siya.
Oh, I love the energy, I love the confidence. Wow. Ma'am, ano po tayo? Forward tayo. Okay, Ma'am Joyren. Same with everyone. Describe your gift in just one word.
Without any explanation.
Di mo pa ako ready.
Nahaying.
Nata. Ha? Pabor-bisi lang nga natin. Ano regalo mo doon? Papil.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Happy birthday. Color
Oh.
paper.
Sige, Ma'am Joyren. Total functional. Itong functional na gift mo, ano pong color?
Beach.
Beige. So, medyo brownish. Yes, medyo brownish.
Oh, di ba
Yung
na-
kulay brownish or yung beige color na functional na gift mo, ano po ang shade?
Pusis? Taluyang.
Round.
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 Tata, anong shape?
Ano pong shape? Round. Ano pong shape? Ano pong shape? Ano talagang shape? Oo, abot na tayo dun eh. Diba? Munti ka na eh. Sige po, yung round na beige color na functional na gift po ninyo, ano po ang texture? Smooth?
Smooth.
Ano po ang texture? Yes. Kinaganda. I love it. I love it.
Sabon.
Oh, ako, feel ko round na beige na functional orasan. Pwede? O pwede? Pwede? Or baka tasa?
Your time.
Hindi tasa, hindi orasan. So sige, Ma'am, with that, you're gonna deliver your message to our debutante.
Hi, Ines. Para sa ganap na dalaga ngayong gabi na kasing sexy ko, wow. 12 years ago. So, kapalok na lang.
Clarification.
Okay. So, itong gift ko sana ay lagyan mo to ng lahat ng good vibes sa magiging journey mo. And hindi ko alam kung naalala mo pa, pero di ba dati nung mga bata pa tayo, Chinese garter, ikaw, mga ganyan na laro natin. Pero yung mga tampuhan na yun, sana ngayon, habulin ka ng lahat ng blessings sa buhay mo. Happy 18th birthday.
Thank you so much, Miss Joy. Nobilia for the message. Once again, another round of applause to Miss Joy.
And next, may we call on Miss Mickey Escuela.
A round of applause to Miss Mickey Esqueta. Okay? Ang cute naman ng gift mo. Forward po tayo. Kulang. So may JNT. Shout out sa JNT. Hello.
Pakideliver po ng parcel agad-agad.
Okay lang yan. Sige ma'am.
Kabangan ka, ano,
Nikki,
Mi?
kindly describe your
Hindi
gift
ka ba
in
ganito?
one word.
Naglipat na naman sa kapat mo.
Ano po ang word?
Abot, baka kanina lang nag-abot. Grabe.
Andulan? Kirby Andulan? Nandito ka ba? De, joke lang. Shoutout kay Kirby dyan. Hello, Kirby. Hello, Kirby. Sige ate, to continue. Ano pong kulay?
White.
White. Straightforward. White. Ano naman pong shape?
Bilog.
Shape cookies. Hindi maintindihan. Hindi maintindihan ko ng shape. Sige po, ano naman ang texture na lang? Heart. Wow, very unique yung shape. Heart. Sige po. Dahil po sa inyong heart. Heart. Wait lang. Yung heart na circle, yung heart na white na Kirby ninyong gift. Maraming salamat. And with that, we can now deliver your message to our debutante.
Hi, Ines. So now na 18 ka na, huwag ka muna mag-aasawa. And mag-aral ka ng mabuti. And maging confident ka lang palagi. Andito kami ni Saber. I-cheer ka namin. Happy birthday!
Thank you so much, Miss Shai. Miss Mikey Escueta.
Nikki Escueta. And next, may we call on Miss Jomeline Garcia. And once again, Miss Jomeline Garcia.
Good evening, Honorable Jomelyn Garcia, the SK Chairman of the
Hindi
Vice.
mo kaya, John Darcy.
Wow, Ian Darcy. Sige po, Ate Jomelyn. Kindly describe your gift in just one word.
Classy! May
Ano pong word? Ano pong word? Wow, classy. Sige po, classic. Yung classy nyo pong gift, ano po ang shape?
Cylinder.
Cylinder.
Ano po ba?
Circle on top.
Circle on top. Okay lang yan. Sige, circle on top.
Cherry on top?
Yes, class, Miss Circle on top. Ano pong color? Ay, ano ang color pala? Color blue. Okay, color blue na silk. Ano yan? Circle on top na classy. Ano po ang texture? Liquid. Tama. Oo, texture
Ay,
tayo.
Joy.
Yes.
Joy ang regalo.
Sige po ate, yung liquid na cylinder on top na classy
Ay, may
yung
liquid.
gift. Maraming salamat.
Solid liquid.
At ngayon, pwede na po.
Feeling ko ano yun,
Ano po?
pentel pen.
Pentel pen, oo, pentel pen. Sige, pentel pen. Ate, deliver your message to our debutante.
Happy 18th birthday, Ines. Welcome to adulthood.
Welcome to our vlog.
Kaswerte mo kay nagkaigwa ka kiirog sa dinadibo. Dati amo man ang pinapangarap ko. Basta, happy birthday. Sana gabayan ka ni Lord sa mga decision mo sa buhay and makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral. Siyempre, para magkaigwa ka kigmaray na buhay and matabangan mo man ang mga magurang mo. Siyempre, ayun.
Ayun, yun
Ayun,
lang.
happy birthday, Ben.
Thank you so much, Honorable Jomelyn Garcia.
Next, may we call on Miss Trixie Diaz.
Trixie Diaz. Ayan, just like everyone, kindly describe your gift in just one word. Ano pong word?
Essential.
Ano pong word? Yes.
Very good.
Ate, yung
Kapag pinapasa,
essential
tabagan mo
gift
siya
para
na
kay Ate Ines. Ano? Color pink. At ano pong shape? Square. Ano pong texture? Dati na natin. Smooth. Okay. Ano po yung word kanina ulit? Essential. Okay lang po yun, nanay. Okay lang yun. Okay lang. Bawi tayo susunod.
For participation.
Thank you. Thank you for the gift, Ate Trixie. And now, you can now deliver your message to our Valentine.
Hello. Happy 18th birthday. I hope mapansin pagmamahal
To be continued.
Aldo na ini and maging memorable para sa iyo, of course. Nasa legal age ka na, so note na every step in your life is a step closer to the person, to the amazing person you're meant to be. Just chase your dreams fearlessly and don't give up when the time comes that everything feels so heavy. Rest lang, then keep going again. Yun lang, enjoy this day because it's all for you. Maganda ka, so always take care of yourself. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Miss Trixie Diaz.
Thank you so much. To proceed with our 18th treasure, may we call on Clarence J. Domino.
Ayan, a round of applause, everyone.
Once again, Clarence J.
Ayan, hello, good evening.
Our
Good
very
evening.
own choreographer.
Yes, dito po tayo. Ayan, forward. Okay, Mr. Clarence. Wait lang, eto, sige. To clarify lang. Wait lang, hinga mo na, hinga. Inhale.
Gusto mo magsayaw?
Oo.
Para mawala
Kuya, may hawak mong beat dyan. Areman. Eto, Mr. Clarence. Ano nga ito ba ito, Mr. Clarence? Mrs. Clarence. Abangan yung Clarence, di ba? Sa umaga, Clarence.
Yes.
Ngayon, total sa gabi na, ano yung Clarence?
Clarita.
Pag umaga, Clarito.
Proud to be
Yeah,
Clarence.
si Clarence. Ayan.
Ako Clarita na.
Sayang, no? Sayang. Sige po, Clarence.
Dapat
Kinda describe your gift in
Clarito.
just one word.
Pag kasi Clarita ako. Si ano?
God.
Si Mel.
Anong word?
May Tuliling.
Very good. So,
Ang parabarita ba? Si May Tuliling. Tuliling mo ito?
anong texture ng gift mo?
Ano pong texture?
Silk. Silk.
Kaya parang nabulunan tayo doon.
Smooth na lang.
Ganon, parang may umipit. Oo, parang may umipit. Ganon. Sige po. Yung kanyang, ano ba yung word? Classy? Ay, hindi. Elegant. Yung elegant na inyong gift. Ano po ang shade?
Round.
Wow, round na silk ang inyong gift. Ano lang pong texture?
Hard.
Hard.
Hard. Okay, may hard. Yes. Wow, favorite ba yung hard? Sige po, ang inyong hard na klase na gift. Thank you so much for that. And now, you're gonna deliver your message to our Valentine.
Hello, Ines. Happy birthday. May these 18 treasures, dress and perfume. Where silk meets sand, a dress that flows like moonlight, paired with a perfume that lingers like a Sige, once again, happy 18th birthday, Ines. Ayan.
Thank you so much, Clarence J. Domino.
Thank you so much. And next, Miss Micaela Bernadette De Feo.
A round of applause. Once again, another big hand for Micaela Bernadette De Feo.
just like the others.
So,
Can you please describe your gift in just a one word without any explanation?
Yes.
Wish list.
Wish list. Ano ba ang word? Wait lang. Kanina pa kayo. Eto. Kanina pa ako dito. Sige, kayo. Ano po ang word? Walang tono. Hindi no unfair, di ba, sa inyo? Sa inyo kasi maganda yung may tone. Sa kanila, sa inyo ano pong word? Ano ba yung naano doon?
Dahil they need to ayos, last ka mo sa pila mamaya sa buffet.
Yes. Sige, ulit. Isa na lang. Bawi kayo. Ano ang word? Iyon na, di na dyan.
Okay.
Sige
Ano
po.
po ang texture?
Yes, Ma'am Micaela.
Well, dalawa sila, so smooth and rough.
Smooth and
Right. Shala, duwang gift.
Yes. O, ano?
Anong color?
Yes, po.
Soft pink and nude.
Yeah.
Soft, pink, and nude.
Yes, I love the color. Yung combination is soft pink and nude. Yeah.
Hindi siya combine. Dalawa siyang gift.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Sige po, Ate Micaela. With your gift, thank you so much for that. And now you can deliver your message to our debutant.
Just a simple message for you, Nanech. Happy day to you. I hope that it becomes the day that would linger. Something that you would always look back and talk about in every family gathering. And I promise not to be tired sa mga kabaklang ganap mo in life. Yun lang. I hope life remains kind to you in all ways. I love you.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Micaela.
Thank you so much, Mama Kaela.
Ma'am, yung gift. Ma'am, yung gift.
Dahil duwang gift ni Ma'am, pagawion niya.
Okay, Ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Ako niya iwalat.
And now we've come to the last treasure bear.
Yes.
Gentlemen, please welcome
Miss Jana May Sanya.
big hand to Miss Jana May. Good evening, Ma'am Joanna. Halika po dito muna. Wow! Ano yung gift?
Feel ko invisible.
Hindi, joke lang. Ma'am Joanna, pero alam mo po kung anong gift? Okay, alam naman ang gift. Sige, Ma'am Joanna, yung paparating mo na gift, kindly describe it in just one word.
Word.
Ano po ang word ulit?
Ano daw?
Graceful daw.
Isa po, ano pong word ulit? Wait lang, ito talaga naiinis na talaga ako. Ano? Sige, chill muna kayo dyan, okay? Kung may food, okay? Pwede kayong kumain. Ito! From these two tables, ano po ang word? Ano po ang word? Ate naman eh. Sige po. Ano po ulit ang word? Boys! Anong word? Anong word? 1, 2, 3, go! Sige. Oo. Yun na talaga yun eh. Yun yung pinaka...
Okay.
Nine.
Anong color?
Color white na
White color. And of course, ano ang texture?
Yes, ate.
Very smooth.
Very smooth. Hindi lang siya smooth, kundi very smooth.
Yes.
Wow.
Hindi lang siya smooth.
Yes.
Natural smooth.
Ate.
It is a very smooth.
Sige po ate, thank you for the advance. May paparating na gift pala. Thank you for that. Now you can all deliver your message to our debutant.
To our debutante on her 18th birthday, may treasure, honor your journey, boys, refined and full of promise. Happy birthday, ano pa?
Yes, thank you so much, Miss Jana May
Thank you
Sanya.
so much, Miss
And now
Jenny.
may you please call back on the front our 18 treasures, starting from Miss Gabriela Domitita until Miss Jana May Sanya for a photo opportunity.
Opportunity. Again, once again, tinatawagan po ang lahat ng nag-18 treasure para po sa ating photo opportunity.
Group photo with our debutant.
go for our debutant.
Ang mahuli ay kamukha ko. Sige. Okay, ang mahuli ay kamukha ko.
Mukhang ayaw nila magpahuli partner.
Ano bang
May
problema sa
tumatakbo pa,
mukha ko?
paharap.
Sige po. Kaya na para sa inyong positions. Everyone, sa mga gusto mag-capture sa ating meeting crashers, bali na po kayo pumunta sa unahan.
While natitig po ng
Sa bedom ano?
please, all the 18 candles, please be ready because you'll be the next.
Thank you so much, Roy 18 Treasures. Maraming salamat po sa inyong mga regalo at mensahe sa ating debutant ngayong gabi. And next, ladies and gentlemen, we have the 18 candles. Each candle represents a light that will guide her way, a wish that will brighten her path, and a prayer that will keep her safe. Just like a candle that shines in the dark, each of you today will always be a source of light, hope, and inspiration for her. Now to start our 18 candles ceremony, may I call on Leia Hopilia. Lapit na lang po tayo para sa ating candles. Once again, Miss Leia Nobilia, our first candle bearer.
Sa angkas ko and thank you dahil pag may problema ko yaon ka para sana yan lang ang
Thank you so much, Ma'am Gleyan Hobilia. Ayan, na pong iba. Okay, sige Ma'am Gleyan. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Ma'am. Thank you so much. But thank you so much once again, Ma'am Gleyan, for the message and for the wish for our debutant. Maraming salamat. Once again, a round of applause to Miss Gleyan Hobilia. And before we continue to our beautiful program in this evening, ladies and gentlemen, ayan niyo po muna ako. Let us first recognize the presence of our very own City Councilor, Teslamor Gonzalez. A round of applause. Okay, good evening po. Good evening and welcome. Welcome to Barangay San Vicente Mountains. And to continue with our program, we call on our second candle bearer, Princess Joy Harapa.
Sabihin na.
Hi ate, happy birthday po. Wish ko po sa iyo ate, sana mag-successful ka po sa mga plano mo and sana po dahil po pumayada sa diri mo tapos mag-adat ka po sa
Thank you so much, Miss Princess Joy.
Princess Joy. Next is Rochelle Ditera.
Thank you so much, Miss Rosel de Terra.
Next is Bienilin Liusala.
Thank you so much, Miss Belen Yellow Diosala.
To proceed with our eating candles, may we call on Miss Jalica Camposano.
Big hand to Miss Jolica Camposano.
Once again, Miss Jalica Camposano.
So, happy birthday, Ines. Iyak namin sa my only wish for you is to have the courage to choose the people who always have the time to for you. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Jalica Camposano.
Once again, thank you so much, Miss Jolica Camposano.
To proceed with, may we call on Miss Helena Goemo. Thank you so much, Miss Helena. Next is Miss Arlene Tito. Once again, Miss Arlene Tito.
Tinatanggal ko sa ano. Diyan mo binagtak? Kabugtaw pa.
Hi, hello. Happy birthday, Ines. Anong gumanday kita close? Sana maging close kita. My birthday ko ito ka. Sana ganun.
Kaya na aki yan. Sorry, kaya na aki. Ha?
Thank you so much, Miss Ernie Tito. To continue, may please call on
Miss Martina Ricafort.
Tayo, hindi sila ko. Yung ko pala na yun.
Thank you so
Sumagot
much.
ako sa yung mukha kanan. Ha? Sumagot ako sa yung mukha kanan. Kinanata ka ba na hayop ko?
Miss Ashley
Nagtaramas kanina, wala ka man. Sabi ko, kumusta po kayong lahat?
proceed, may please call on
Trisha Vista.
Ay, na.
proceed to
May we call on Miss Maria Joan Handohan.
Wait, si Juan Hoto na pala, di ba man na video ko? Paloko. Di ba talaga pag pero?
Happy birthday, Ines. Thank you dahil nabalik yung closest nating naputol noong elementary pa lang tayo. Gusto ko lang sabihin na I'm so thankful that I have you as
Bakit
my
hindi ka
elementary best friend. Nagkahiwalay man tayo
Juan?
pagdating ng high school, pero yung closeness natin ngayon ay hindi nagbabago at hindi magbabago. 18 ka na and you grow as a lovely and independent woman. I'm so proud of you, lalo na sa mga achievements na nararating mo sa buhay. Good luck sa college journey natin. Happy 18th birthday ulit, Ines. I love you so much.
Thank you so much, Maria John Hanohan.
To proceed with, may we call on Miss Ramiel Eunice Capsa, Miss Ashley Nicole Delgado.
Once again, a big hand to Miss Ashley Nicole Delgado.
Holy, picture mo na
Happy 18th birthday to my first classmate and my first best friend sa koleyo. Ikaw talaga sa ito nakitaan ko ning. Kasi sabi ko, career sa pangalan niya, feeling ko, magiging friend ko yun niya, magiging niya. Tapos, wala na, kinapalan ko ng bayon ko ng Facebook na ako sa iyo. Tapos, inabot ko sa ang pictures sa Snapchat. Tapos, after sa to, nag-face to face class na. Tapos, yung closeness natin nag-grow. And thankful ako dito kayo nakilala ko ikaw. Ang wish ko sa iyo na yan na this journey mo is sana like ka mapagal. Always pray to God and be close to Him. Yan din man ako, maski kung di ka pa man na university, I'm here to support you. Yan din ako for me. So, mo lang, chat mo lang, ma-reply ako sa iyo. I love you. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Miss Ashley Nicole Delgado. To proceed with, may we call on Miss Jillian Davina. Or rather than I say, Mr. Jillian Davina.
Happy birthday. Relaxista.
Once again, Miss Jillian Davina.
Yan.
Hi Ines, happy birthday. Be who you are always, din masabasyan. Alam mo man, takutan ng pagkwentuhan. Thank you basta sa gabos, alam mo na ito. Sana, ma-achieve mo gabos na dreams mo. Tapos, kung if ever man na wala ka kampe, yaw na ko always, pero mas una ko mo magrami kay Lord kaysa mo yata. Pero may ka madi-disappoint, pero si Lord ay tuligin ko sa inyo. I'm always here, pero mas achieve mo ang goal mo, magpayaman ka. Gusto ko maabot mo ang buhay na gusto mo, lalo na ang pagtambay sa sweatshirt. Kung gusto mo kay Bahon, invite mo lang ako. Happy birthday ulit, I'm always here. Love you.
Thank you so much, Jillian Davina. To proceed with, may we call on Miss Janessa Dometita. Once again, Miss Janessa Dometita. Please give her a round of applause.
Ines, wala akong masabi. I wish you nothing but always the best. Nga di ako pero may para sa iyong araw mo. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Miss Janetta Tomatita, for the wish and for the message.
To proceed with, may we call on Miss Antonetta Casanya.
Ha? Siyempre. All around ako. Ah! Ma-duty pa nga na ako. Ano pa sanay? Ha? Ma-duty pa. Pang-bang ka na. Oo, malag na lang ako. Tunak dito. Kanina pa ka ba?
Ate Ines, sa ate Nanich, ate Nich. First of all, gusto ko sorry sa mga nahihit mo ka nasala. Ganun, basta alam mo na yun. If you know, you know. Basta, sorry po sa lahat. Then, I want to say thank you for everything. Like, everything. Kaya, paano diba, every time na need ko help sa akin, hindi ko na kaya. Especially sa pandemic era. At ka para mag-help without kapalit. You insist helping me for my modules, for my assignments, etc. And basta po, always remember na I always appreciate what you're doing na I know that it can help me, especially sa love of Naina. Kasi diba, you know naman na sa inyo ako minsan advice kapag nakukulungan ako, kapag di ko naaramihin mo ako. Thank you so much. I hope you know na I really appreciate you for being my first cousin who understand my attitude, my humor, and everything. Thank you, Ate Alice. Habol ko na lang ang handwritten letter ko sa iyo. Happy 18th birthday. You're officially an adult now. So proud of the person you're becoming. 18 looks amazing, beautiful, cute, and gorgeous on you. Cheers to your debut, plus all the time ahead. Level 18 unlocked, ate. This your curfew rules. Charot lang, na parang kasi naman, wala na talaga siya curfew. Siyempre, as long as you stay under your parents' roof, may mga rules pa din na hindi talaga mawawala. You and Ate Ashley grew up together. And my Ate Ashley is turning 19, and now you're 18. But for me, you're still the coolest cousin I know. Happy 18th birthday to my first cousin, plus forever, Ate, in Kalokohan. May God bless you in your college journey, and always remember that we're here for you, and your family is always there to support you and love you forever. I love you to the moon and back.
Thank you so much, Miss Antoinette Casanya, for the wish and for the message to our Dapitan. Let's all give her a big hand.